Hi, my name is Will Northlick Redmond, and I am one of the instructors here at Visionary Center for the Performing Arts. I currently teach guitar, all skill levels, all ages, acoustic and electric. I also teach bass. I'm also one of the Band Factory instructors. I also teach group guitar lessons as well as beginning piano lessons. I'm very interested in what the student wants to learn and what the student wants to express on their instrument and with music in general. I am interested in helping you to find your goals and your aspirations as a musician. I look forward to working with all of you, hopefully over the new year, and take care.